It's giveaway time, and I'll tell you what, we had such a awesome response about the Sundown M-Series prototype that we're going to give it away. So let's get into that. If you want one of 10 that were made prototypes of the M-Series, the one I used in the video that is still getting great reviews and comments, here's how you're going to win. So we're going to announce the winner February 4th. So you have time on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast. We're going to have on that night a new YouTuber I found by the name of DaBadNewz. Put it right across it next to me.
You did a great job.
I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news, I am the bad news.
Okay, so first thing you gotta do is you gotta comment on this video, your name, location, why you should win. You gotta like the video and you have to share the video out. Second, I need you to text DaBadNewz to 737-BIG-JEFF. That's 737-244-5333. Once you text us, you'll get an auto reply saying thank you for entering, and we'll ask for like your email and other contact information, and you're in. So as long as you like, comment, and share this video, and you text DaBadNewz to 737-BIG-JEFF, you're entered. And then on the Big Sound by Big Jeff, February 4th, Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to be doing an interview with DaBadNewz, a YouTuber I found that just seems really down to earth and a cool cat. And we reached out, wanted to network with him. We're going to announce the winner for this M-Series 12-inch prototype, and you could be the winner. So the giveaway for 2025 M-Series starts now.
Big Jeff Audio, where you go for big sound.